Good morning. I'm Moreno Falaschi from the Department of Information Engineering and Mathematics from the University of Siena. And I would like to present you the program of my course, Models and Languages for Bioinformatics. The course will present several applications and computational models for bioinformatics and systems biology, and will present two programming languages which are suitable for developing these kind of models. So bioinformatics is essential nowadays for the biologists, but not only for them, but also for anyone who is interested to biotechnologies, whether he is a mathematician or an engineer or a chemist or a physicist. And computational tools are nowadays absolutely necessary for the development of biotechnologies, and in particular for medical research. We can say that the first algorithms for bioinformatics, which means in particular for solving the problem of sequence alignment for DNA sequences or other kind of sequences, have been developed in the 1970s. But bioinformatics became really crucial when the International Genome Project was started and developed in the years between 1988 and 2003, when it was completed. In this project, the aim was to sequence the entire human genome. So the genome contains all genes of the human species. So in practice, it is a sequence of nucleotides, a huge sequence containing billions of nucleotides for our species, and it is in practice the book of life, because it will determine our phenotype, our functionalities, the protein functionalities, and how we can develop, for instance, new drugs based on these sequences. So the success of the project was due to the integration of classical biological methodologies, which are usually based on wet lab experiments, expensive experiments, with computational tools and algorithms which have been fundamental for speeding up the process of sequencing. So the project costed about $3 billion altogether, while nowadays there are machines which one single machine can sequence several entire human genomes in one night, and at the cost of a few $100s. So the evolution of these machines, algorithms, etc., has been huge. So it became clear with this experiment that computer science tools are fundamental for boosting the development of modern biological and biomedical methodologies, and also for medical treatments, for developing treatments which are personalized to each individual, so for personalized modern medicine, and also for saving money for the expensive biological reactants by doing in silico experiments combined with wet lab experiments, but only for a reduced, combination, reduced part of the experiments. So for instance, bioinformatics, which can also be integrated with artificial intelligence and data science, of course, can save a lot of money and time for development of new drugs or of new vaccine. It is also a must for modeling and sequencing genome, RNA, proteins for modeling proteins structure and dynamics, for maintaining biological data banks, for modeling biological networks, for modeling the exchange of information between different molecules, etc. So there are so many different possible applications nowadays for bioinformatics, which it is essential for this discipline to have a multidisciplinary competencies. So some knowledge of biology, of course, computer science, mathematics, etc. So appropriate computational languages and bioinformatic libraries based on these languages are absolutely essential for the development of this field nowadays. So people specialized in bioinformatics can bridge computer science, artificial intelligence, and biomedical knowledge, and they are increasingly requested by the biotechnological enterprises. So this course will start by briefly introducing you to some fundamentals of biology by means of some seminars given by experts in the field. So some basic seminars will provide the basis on molecular biology, about the structure of DNA, proteins, RNA, etc., on algorithms for string comparison and alignments, on protein structure, and on phylogenetic trees, which are essential for modern evolution. So some other advanced seminars will give more specialized view of bioinformatics and more advanced computational models of biological systems. And the largest part of the course will be devoted to programming languages which are suitable for bioinformatics. And talking about the languages, we will see two short courses on two fundamental languages which can be used for building computational models in bioinformatics. And I mean constraint logic programming and Python. The seminars will include these ones: molecular biology, which will be given by myself, phylogenetic trees, research on protein structure and dynamics, sequencing comparison and alignment, a framework for reaction systems in logic programming, given by myself, the research on bioinformatics at GSK Vaccine Lab in Siena, and maybe by other companies, the BioPython project, which is essential to see a huge library for bioinformatics fully developed in the Python language, which will be quite suitable for you in case you want to develop applications in bioinformatics. The material for the course will be freely available online. There is some bibliography, but as I said, the material for the course you can find here in this website. I want to remark also, as a last note, that our department is also offering a one-year second-level master in bioinformatica and data science. This is the website of this master. And so it is possible for you to have a chance to continue the studies in bioinformatics also after the laurea in artificial intelligence and automation engineering or in applied mathematics, in case you're interested to continue the studies on this discipline. So I hope to see you soon in my course. Bye-bye.